So what is cryptocurrency? There are differing opinions. So Jamie Dimon of JP Morgan says cryptocurrency is a fraud, worse than tulip bulbs. Warren Buffett says cryptocurrency is probably rat poison squared. And he goes on to say, if I could buy a 5-year put on every one of the cryptocurrencies, I'd be glad to do it, but I would never short a dime's worth. Interesting. So what is cryptocurrency? So the title of Nouriel Roubini's congressional testimony answers the question as follows. Crypto is the mother of all scams and now busted bubbles, while blockchain is the most overhyped technology ever, no better than a spreadsheet/database. Or is cryptocurrency the future of money? As a fintech-crazed fellow finance professor once said to me, will our grandchildren or great-grandchildren be asking us, what were you doing when money was being created? So let's consider Bitcoin. Probably the biggest myth about Bitcoin is that it's an actual coin. Well, it's not. It's not an actual coin. It's a unit of exchange. At the moment, Bitcoins are trading at $3,772.38 per one Bitcoin. But fortunately, it's not necessary to buy a whole Bitcoin. The smallest unit to trade Bitcoins is 1 Satoshi, or 100th millionth of a Bitcoin. Here's the outline of this lecture. First, I will discuss transacting in Bitcoin. So if we want to understand why Bitcoin might be popular, we need to ask what exactly is currency. Bitcoin is a cash alternative to currency, so we're going to talk about cash alternatives currently in use. Given that we have some pretty good cash alternatives and new ones all the time, we can ask why then cryptocurrency? And then finally, concluding thoughts.